Here's how to zoom in Photopea. First of all, move your mouse to the position where you would like to zoom in. Then, if you're in a Windows PC, press and hold the Alt key on your keyboard, and if you're in a Mac, it will be the Option key, and then use your mouse wheel to zoom in. To zoom out by still holding the Alt or Option keys, simply move the mouse wheel backwards to zoom out. Now, if this doesn't work for you, you can also go to View here on top, and then simply click on Zoom in there. Repeat this step to zoom in more. To zoom out again then, you can go to View, and then click on Zoom out. Last but not least, you can also use keyboard shortcuts to zoom in and zoom out in Photopea. On a Windows PC, it is Command and plus to zoom in. To zoom out, it is Command and minus. On a Mac, to zoom in via shortcut, it is Option key and plus. And to zoom out, it is Option key and minus. When you zoom in and then want to zoom out, now one problem that you might face after zooming in is that you cannot zoom out with the keyboard shortcut. And to solve that problem before you zoom out again, you actually have to release your finger from the Command or Option key first, and only after that put it on there again, and now when you press minus again at the same time, you should be able to zoom out without any problem. And that's it guys, this is how you zoom in Photopea. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more easy to follow Photopea tutorials.